Meet Tanvi Gita, the Chovi Tailor. Tanvi Gita, popularly known as the Chovi Tailor, is an Indian dancer, content creator, and powerful voice for body positivity. She rose to fame on Instagram with her energetic dance reels, graceful expressions, and confidence-filled performance that challenge traditional beauty standards. Tanvi proposed that dance has no size limit. Her content blends classical and contemporary moves while inspiring thousands to embrace self-love and confidence. Personal detail. Height. Exact details not publicly confirmed. Weight not publicly disclosed. Age believed to be in her 20s. Beyond dance, Tanvi uses her platform to spread messages of inclusivity, self-acceptance, and quotes. Tanvi Gita is not just a dancer, she is a movement. Thanks for watching this video.